What is the best bird? A question as old as our fascination with these winged wonders. Today, we delve into this feathery conundrum, analyzing a variety of categories: speed, size, strength, cuteness, and pet suitability. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a flight into the world of birds. Let's kick things off with speed. The title of the fastest bird in the world goes to the peregrine falcon. This avian speedster can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour during its hunting stoop, making it a formidable predator in the sky. It's a bird that truly embodies the phrase, swift as a bird. Now, let's talk size. The title of the largest bird in the world is held by the ostrich. Standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 320 pounds, the ostrich is a true giant amongst birds. Despite its size, it can run at incredible speeds and has strong legs that can deliver a powerful kick, proving that size does matter in the bird world. Strength is another vital category. The harpy eagle reigns supreme here. With a wingspan measuring up to 7 feet and talons as large as a grizzly bear's claws, this bird of prey is a force to be reckoned with. It's capable of carrying off animals as large as monkeys and sloths, demonstrating a strength that belies its size. Next on the list is cuteness. Now, this is subjective, but many would agree that the Atlantic puffin, with its bright, colorful beak and soulful eyes, is a strong contender. This adorable little bird, often called the sea parrot, is enough to melt even the iciest of hearts. Lastly, we consider pet suitability. Parrots, specifically the African gray parrot, are often considered the best pet birds due to their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. They are social, interactive, and can form strong bonds with their human caretakers. They do require a lot of care and mental stimulation, but their personalities and antics make them worth it. So which bird takes the crown as the best bird? Well, it depends on the criteria. If you value speed, the peregrine falcon is the best. If size impresses you, the ostrich takes the cake. If you admire strength, the harpy eagle is your bird. If cuteness warms your heart, the Atlantic puffin is the one for you. And if you're looking for a pet, the African gray parrot is a perfect choice. But the beauty of birds is their diversity. Each species has something unique to offer, making them all the best in their own way. So the next time someone asks you, what is the best bird? You can confidently say, every bird is the best bird. Now that's a feather in your cap.